Hello everyone, we are at the Raja's Seat here, and from Raja's Seat you can have terrific view of the cliffs and the mountains. This is a sunset point. We came in the morning. We will try to come again in the evening as well. You get this view and there is a garden there, so that's really a Raja's garden. So this temple is opposite to Raja's Seat. First time I am seeing something like this. There is a place for footwear on the compound wall of the temple. So there was a ticket counter. The ticket price is 100 rupees, but then the guy said that the ticket prices are only if you are coming after 8:30. So we came early. It is just 6:30 now. So if you come early, you can avoid the ticket. Since it's open for the morning walk, you can come for free if you come early in the morning before 8:30. This is the same view that we saw just now earlier. That was outside the garden. This is within the garden. Definitely this is one of the must visit places in Coorg. It is directly within the center of Madikeri, so you don't have to go anywhere to reach this place and experience this beautiful view. Look into the distance, so you can see some parts of the mountains having sunlight and some parts of the mountains having shadows of the clouds. The mixture of both creates a mesmerizing experience. So this is the Omkareshwara temple. We have come early morning to this temple. So the temple starts at 6:30 in the morning and it is up to 12 p.m. and evening it again starts only at 5 p.m. and it goes all the way up to 8 p.m. Beautiful water lake, water body in center of the temple, and there is the main sanctum sanctorium. I have not seen any architecture like this. This doesn't have any architecture, but the way of construction is quite different from any other temples that I have seen in South India. Main entry to the Omkareshwara temple. So we have visited the temple. It's really nice, very simple. There is Lord Shiva at the center, and Subramanya Swami towards the right, and Lord Vinayaka towards the left. Just going around the lake now. We have to be really careful walking around here. It's quite slippery, so we make sure we just put our feet on hard surfaces. So this is the starting of Talakaveri temple. As you can see, it is full of fog. The vision was not really clear when you go towards the end of the temple, and this is the situation in summer. I'm not sure how it's going to be in winter. So this is Sri Bhagamandeshwara Talakaveri temple. I guess this is the normal entry which is closed. We only need to take this way. Sorry?
Kund, kund.
चलो चलो चलो
So I'm in Bhagamandala now, which is the pilgrimage place in Karnataka. So in Bhagamandala, I have come to the Triveni Sangama. So this is a place where three different rivers, river Kaveri, Kannike and Sujyoti. The Kannike river and Sujyoti river are tributaries. So these three rivers, they join at this place, and taking bath in this river is considered very sacred and holy, and it is considered that all your sins will be washed away if you take bath here. Really, how peaceful the water is flowing, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. So when the river Kaveri starts from Talakaveri, this is the first place where you can really go and see the river flowing, which is Bhagamandala. So this is the view from the bridge. The river is not much deep here, right? It's very shallow.
Yeah, it's shallow.
You can even go into the river and take a bath.
Yeah, but I don't know, not nobody's seen, right? Right now. Maybe because of Corona.
There you can see the temple as well. It's just beside the river.